Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me again. Appreciate that. And so we're back in the garage again. We're gonna get into quite a few things. As always, it's a never-ending stream of car repairs to be done. So, gonna get into the Beamer very shortly. Whole bunch of stuff to be done with that. I got a lot of random parts to put on that thing. I'll show you guys here in a second. So, we got axles, front axles have to be replaced, all the shocks and struts. We're gonna do all the front brakes, quite a bit, honestly. Beyond that, what we're gonna do today is gonna be these guys right here. So we're gonna get into some cats. So got the truck engine put in the Dodge, got that all dialed out, and the cats are worn out. They're damaged. They're not really worn out, but they're damaged from the failed engine previously. So we're gonna go through and replace them. Yay! Another what? I did oxygen sensors too. So like $600 in oxygen sensors and exhaust parts for the cats and such. So you know, comes with the territory. Brand new engine in it. I really don't want to have crappy fuel economy or, you know, be a gross polluter any further than I really have to. So we're gonna dive in there, get after it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna fast forward you over to the action. Ooh, little key boy. Hello. The cat's gonna join us. Okay, so we are replacing this whole assembly right here. So these are the cats. So we got one on each side. We're gonna do both of those guys. Essentially, we're gonna end up going through taking this entire exhaust pipe out. So the new one I got, interesting, it doesn't have the flat there, but not that really matters. Basically, goes together right here. I'm hoping those are the correct sizes because this looks a little bit bigger, but oh good lord, we shall see. Ooh, that looks rusty. Positive I had this out before, but maybe I didn't. I just have the whole thing hanging, so this might be interesting, to say the least. So we're gonna try to get this guy right here undone. It's kind of hard to see there, but that clamp right here, this guy has to be undone. He's very rusty, so it's gonna be a fun one. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna grab rust penetrant and we will get after that first and foremost, because that's gonna be the place to start. So realistically, we just need to get these other oxygen sensors unplugged. I'm just gonna route them out with us. It's kind of hard to see what I'm looking at. You can see, for the most part, what I'm after here. So I'm plugging the O2 sensors up here. My shoulder's really mad right now, so I probably shouldn't be out here messing around, but don't let's go on. Ew. Ooh. Jeez Louise, upstream, downstream, unplugged. We're gonna go the other side now. Okay, and the other side. Whew. Now we got a drive line on our way on this side too, so that's interesting. All right. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm actually doing here. Go over here so you can probably see a little bit better what I'm after here. Jeez Louise. Okay. So, again, just trying to get these guys undone. Just impossibly tough for some reason. Pick up. That should unlock it, but there we go. Jeez. Is that the dirt in that thing? Goodness gracious. No wonder it didn't want to come apart. Okay, the last one up here. Gotta get to it. Just a real pain in the butt to get at. Ah, there we go. Okay. Using yet another rainfall of dirt. Oh, I tore my finger, or my glove. Darn it. Okay. Well, that was fun. It's a long haul for literally unplugging 4 sensors. Oh. Okay. Come out of there. So sensors unplugged over there. Sensors unplugged over here. And now we gotta tackle that guy right there. So, stay tuned for more fun. So we'll circle back to that. Whew. Oh boy, oh joy. What are you doing? Oh, I see you've met my audience. I don't know if you guys saw my shop cat there. He probably walked up and said hello. That is Draco, the newest member of the clan, so to speak, of our little crew. And that's a 14. What the? Really? Really? Come on, Dodge. Smalls. Alright, fine. I'll be back again with the correct wrench. Okay, there. So, typical sense, you're gonna need probably a ratcheting wrench. I'd recommend get yourself a set of those. Long-handled ratchet. Just basic set of sockets, honestly. I just brought the whole set because it's easier so I don't have to get back up again. And then probably gonna need a long extension. Depends, you can get by with just a bunch of extensions. Couple together if you really want to, but you know, if you're gonna do this kind of stuff yourself all the time, really just want to go and get yourself some good toolage, good tools to use. Man, I put this in the loveliest position there. Oh, wow. Oh, that's fun. Well, it's maybe easier said than done to get these damn bolts loose. Pull or under further and push. It's kind of funky either way. Oh yeah, that's gonna break right off. Oh, there you go. Did I call it or did I call it? I just have a sort of a sense for this kind of stuff. Just tell. Do this enough, you can tell when it's gonna break. That thing is paper thin. Look at that. Damn. All right, well, I'm not gonna reuse it anyway, so. Whatever. Oh man. Alright. Let's make it snappy on this one too. Almost guaranteed it's gonna snap off too. Fit. There we go. There we go. There we go. Easy enough. Brute strength. You just can't be tight if it's snapped. Okay. And then let's wrap that sucker out of here. Thank you for your service. No longer be needed. Okay, and then the question is, how incredibly tight is this joint right here? Whew, I guess we'll find out. So the problem is raining dirt all up onto this instead of the ground. It's not gonna. rusty crap all over the ground. Whatever. Whew. Okay. So that's that. And I think, hopefully, I'll just slide right out of it. Find out. Okay, so I think I loose. He's out of there. So now we're after those guys up there. These bolts up here. So we're gonna switch you around, and we're gonna try and tackle. Make it so we can see them. Okay. Okay, so let's see, really long socket or extension, I should say. Probably overkill extension. Honestly, I don't think it needs to be that long at all, but still way easier. So that's what we're after. Is that guy right there? Both sides. I believe it was 13. I think go with 14 just to see. Where was that? 14, yeah. Holy. Okay. So basically, we're just gonna uncouple this entire assembly. Okay, let's see if we get a nice awkward spot here. On these I just took off not too long ago. So if you've been following so far, you'll know I just put an engine in this truck, so these are not typical for how loose they're gonna be. Oh, dang, I'm putting hit you guys. Sorry about that. They're definitely gonna be a fight, to say the least. Like, usually they're really freaking tight. It's got a check engine light on, you know, for some unbeknownst reason, or, you know, because I've just spent all this money and time on putting the engine in it. Okay, so let's see. It's all loose now. Question is, will it just come out of there, or are we gonna be in for a fight of a lifetime here? Whew, okay. Hey, there you are again. Good to see you again. You looking swell today. Did you do something with your hair? It looks nice. You shaved? Nice. Very cool. Nicely done. Okay. So, let's see, will this even move? Oh, it moves. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so basically I'm gonna just hit it right here. Headphone users beware, feel free to turn the volume down. Alright, dude. Ridiculous. Oh my god, dude. Hold on, I got sweat in my eyeballs. Oh, it's like 100 degrees out here. Alright, we're back at it. We've got a couple different techniques we're going to try here and see if we can't get this damn thing off of here. We want to get it. So, did a little bit of research to find out I can probably use this damn clamp on that thing, but we shall see. You guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so still trying to get this damn pipe off of here. Get disconnected. So, the part is I can't really ham it the other way. So we're gonna hammer. So yeah, that's an awkward ass spot right there. I don't know if I'll be able to hit that there. Okay, we're gonna try this. Give us something more to hit, at least. Okay. Time for the torture test. Fuck, dude. Whew. Wow. Huh. That's wild. Alright, douchebag. They're coming off now, motherfucker. Fuck you. You fucking douchey ass piece of shit. Fucking. You fucking piece of shit. But I get in there nice and deep. God damn it.
You want anything from Arco? Ooh, that is nice.
fucking understand this thing. Why? You gotta fucking let go, dude. Alrighty. I'm gonna have to fucking cut this thing out of here entirely. This is fucking unreal. What in the fuck, dude? Fuck. Finally. Fucking ridiculous. Fuck you. Motherfucker. Let's get the God damn it, dude. Fuck. Unfucking believable. Christ, dude. That was unfreaking believable. Ah, no thank you. Couldn't pay me to do that shit again. What the fuck? Wow. Okay, it's out. We're gonna come back for another episode, put that back in, because I'm dying. Holy shit. Ah. Okay, yeah. That ain't gonna make you like and subscribe. I don't know what will. Woo! Ah. Okay. Till next time. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for joining me. Bleh. Joining me. Hopefully, if you have to do that, it's not as bad as that was. That was ridiculous. All right. Till next time.